Every serious barbecue cook eventually hits the same wall. It rains on brisket day, the propane runs out mid-cook, or you just need 6 wings finished in 15 minutes without firing up the whole rig. 10 air fryers separate the cooks who solve that problem cleanly from the ones fighting a machine that cannot keep up. This is the list smart barbecue cooks actually buy, counting down to the one pick that might surprise you. An air fryer is not a replacement for a smoker or a kettle grill. It is the backup system every serious outdoor cook eventually needs for reheating leftover brisket without drying it out, finishing wings with a crisp a grill cannot always deliver, and cooking sides while the main event stays on the fire. Capacity, real wattage, and basket design separate the machine's worth counter space from the ones that end up in a closet after 2 months. Number 10. The Typher Dome earns its spot for cooks who want restaurant-speed results without babysitting the basket. The Dome uses a flat 5.6-quart basket with top and bottom heating instead of a single fan, cooking 32 wings in 14 minutes or 2 steaks in 8 with far less flipping than a standard vertical fryer. It runs at 55 decibels, includes a self-cleaning cycle for the top cavity, and connects to an app for AI-generated recipes. It has been recommended by both America's Test Kitchen and Consumer Reports as a top large air fryer for 2026. For a barbecue cook finishing a steak reverse sear indoors or crisping a pizza after smoking dough on the grill, the flat dual heat design does something a standard fryer basket cannot. Number 9. Chefman's Turbo Fry earns its spot on volume alone. Built for cooks feeding a crowd off the smoker, the Turbo Fry XL holds a full 8 quarts in a stainless steel body with a dedicated high fry button that spikes to 450 degrees Fahrenheit for the final 2 minutes to lock in a crisp finish. An LED shake reminder and 4 one-touch presets keep it simple for a cook already juggling a dozen other things on cookout day. The non-stick basket is dishwasher safe. Compare that to the Typher Dome. One prioritizes speed and even browning for smaller batches. The other prioritizes sheer volume for a full side dish run. If your job on cookout day is turning out family-sized batches of fries and mozzarella sticks between smoker checks, the 8-quart capacity earns its place. Number 8. The Dash Compact earns its spot as the honest budget pick for a cook who just needs a second small unit for the porch or the camper. At 2 quarts and a compact footprint, the Dash uses air crisp technology to cut added fat by up to 75%, with adjustable temperature control and an auto shutoff feature for safety. It has no digital display and no app, just a dial and a basket. Street price sits well under $30. Compare that to the Chefman Turbo Fry. One is built to feed a family off the smoker. The other is built to sit in a camper or dorm and reheat a single plate without fuss. For a tailgate cook who needs a backup unit that will not take up trunk space, the Dash does the one job it was built for. Number 7. The Vortex Mini earns its spot as the single-serving option from a brand that already earned trust in most barbecue kitchens through the pressure cooker line. The Vortex Mini runs 4-in-1 functionality across a 2-quart basket with even crisp technology and one-touch programs for wings, roasted vegetables, and reheats. The temperature range runs 120 degrees Fahrenheit to 400 degrees Fahrenheit with minimal preheat time. It ties directly into the Instant Pot app for recipe access. Compare that to the Dash Compact. Both are small format units, but only one comes from a brand with a decade of proven build quality behind its name. For reheating a single portion of pulled pork without the microwave turning the bark to mush, this size is exactly right. I'll have links to all the air fryers mentioned in this video down in the description, but make sure you watch until the end, because the number 1 pick might surprise you. Number 6. The Double Stack XL earns its spot for cooks who need 2 different foods finished at the same exact minute. The Double Stack XL stacks two independently controlled 5-quart baskets into a single footprint 40% slimmer than a standard 2-basket fryer, with a combined 10-quart capacity that can hold two 5-pound chickens at once. Smart Finish times two different foods to land together, while Match Cook duplicates settings across both baskets for full-capacity meals. Compare that to the Chefman Turbo Fry. One gives you 8 quarts in a single basket. The other gives you two fully independent 5-quart zones stacked vertically. For a cook finishing wings in one basket while fries run in the other, independent zone control changes the whole workflow. Number 5. The Pro LE earns its spot as the quiet, no-fuss option for a cook who wants consistent results without a learning curve. The Pro LE runs a 1,500-watt motor in a 5-quart basket, hitting 450 degrees Fahrenheit for cooking speeds up to 50% faster than a conventional oven. Cosori's Air Whisper technology keeps noise under 55 decibels, and the unit ships with a shake reminder and 130-plus in-app recipes. Compare that to the Ninja Double Stack. One trades capacity for simplicity and a lower price point. The other trades simplicity for dual-zone flexibility. For a cook who wants one clean preset for wings and one for reheated ribs without digging through a manual, the Pro LE removes the guesswork. Number 4. The AF101 earns its spot as the proof that a smaller, older design can still outperform newer competitors on pure value. The AF101 runs a 1,550-watt motor across a wide 105 degrees Fahrenheit to 400 degrees Fahrenheit range in a 4-quart ceramic-coated basket, fitting roughly 2 pounds of fries per batch. Independent testing has clocked it delivering 92% of the cooking performance of $129 competitors at a sub-$100 price point, with temperature accuracy within 5 degrees. Compare that to the Cosori Pro LE. Both target small households, but the AF101 has stayed a reliable value pick for years without needing app connectivity to perform. For a smaller household that mainly needs quick reheats and side dishes between grill sessions, this size and price hit the mark. Number 3. The Vortex Plus Clear Cook earns its spot by solving the one problem every air fryer owner complains about: not being able to see the food without opening the drawer. The Clear Cook window sits over a lit 6-quart basket so you can check progress without releasing heat, backed by a 1,700-watt motor and even crisp airflow technology rated for 95% less oil than deep frying. 6 customizable presets cover the most common barbecue-adjacent uses, from wings to reheated sides, and the odor erase filter keeps kitchen smell down during long cooks. Compare that to the Ninja AF101. One keeps things simple with no window. The other adds real-time visibility at a similar capacity and price range. For a cook who hates guessing whether the second batch of wings is ready, the window alone justifies the upgrade. Number 2. The AF141 earns its spot as the highest volume single-basket Ninja on this list, built for a genuine family cookout. The AF141 runs a 1,750-watt motor through a 5-quart basket rated to fit 4 pounds of fries or 5 pounds of wings in a single batch, with air crisp technology hitting 400 degrees Fahrenheit and up to 75% less fat than deep frying. The redesigned footprint saves counter space without sacrificing that capacity. Compare that to the Instant Vortex Plus. One leans on a viewing window for convenience. The other leans on raw batch size for a full family meal in one pass. For a cook running a full backyard cookout who needs one big batch of wings finished fast, the AF141's capacity to footprint ratio is hard to beat. Number 1. And here is the surprise. The top pick on this list is not the biggest Ninja or the flashiest smart fryer. It is the Cosori Turbo Blaze. The Turbo Blaze runs a 1,725-watt motor with a 5-speed airflow system across a full 6-quart PFAS-free ceramic basket, spanning a wide 90 degrees Fahrenheit to 450 degrees Fahrenheit range across 9 cooking functions, including proof, dehydrate, and keep warm. Independent lab testing confirmed very good frying results and strong performance in large batch crispy cooking, all while running under 53 decibels on the highest fan speed. Street price regularly lands between $80 and $110. Compare that to the Ninja AF141. Both sit in the same price and capacity range, but the Turbo Blaze covers more functions, a wider temperature range, and a quieter motor for a comparable cost. The reason this beats every flashier, more expensive option on this list is simple. It covers the widest range of actual barbecue season use cases, from proofing dinner rolls to dehydrating jerky, in one 6-quart basket that costs less than most of the fryers ranked behind it. The pattern is clear. The best air fryer for a barbecue cook is not always the biggest or the most expensive one on the shelf. It is the one that covers the specific gaps a grill and smoker leave open, reheating without drying out, finishing wings fast, and handling sides while the main event stays on the fire. Before you buy, match the capacity to what you actually reheat and finish most, not to the biggest number on the box. If this list saved you from buying the wrong air fryer for your setup, hit that like button. Subscribe so you do not miss the next one. Drop which one you already own in the comments and tell me if it made the list, because I read every single one.